My name is Adrian Venegas. I'm the president of Formula SAE at the University of Houston, and this is the basics of how an engine works. So an engine is mainly comprised of pistons. A piston usually has 4 cycles. So the first cycle is intake. So when you press on the gas, you're letting air in. Air mixes with fuel and goes into the piston. That is the first stroke. The second stroke is compression ignition. So the piston compresses, the spark plug fires, and you light all the air-fuel mixture inside the piston. The third stroke is expansion. You just made an explosion inside of the piston, so things are going to move. So the explosion pushes the piston pushes the rod turns the gears attach to a chain which goes through the rear axle, so it spins the rear axle, and the rear axle is connected to the wheels and tires, and so those spin and push your car forward. The last stroke of an engine is the exhaust. So everything that's left in the piston is pushed out and goes out through your muffler. The bigger the engine, the more powerful the engine. Different engines, bigger and smaller for different applications. For example, car engines are measured in liters, and that just talks about the volume that the piston takes up. Smaller engines for like lawnmowers and that stuff, you can say 50cc engines, 120cc engines. We spend a year building these cars. We spend months and months and months just thinking about what they're gonna be. And the moment it starts and it runs on its wheels, on its own power, and somebody can get in it and drive it and start to test it, it's just the greatest feeling to know that it works. It's akin to the Dr. Frankenstein, that it's alive.